What's the meaning of blitz? Blitz. Blitz.
Blitz. Blitz. Blitz is a term that has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In military strategy, a blitz refers to a sudden and intense attack designed to overwhelm and defeat an enemy quickly. In sports, such as American football, a blitz is a tactic in which several players from the defense try to aggressively rush the quarterback of the opposing team. The term can also be used to describe a sudden and concentrated effort to complete a task quickly, such as a blitz to finish a project before a deadline. In general, blitz often implies a quick and focused burst of activity aimed at achieving a specific goal.